Get creative with your curls and create a Sandra Dee inspired look, perfect for a fancy dress party or Halloween. Start with clean dry hair and create 3 sections. Create ringlet style curls using a 19mm curler. Take a section around 2 to 3 centimeters. Always curl from the bottom section. This will ensure that the curls end up perfectly curled and each section is more consistent. Roll towards the head and hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then release. Repeat on all sections. Once you've set your curls, create a deep side part, and on the smaller side, separate the curls with your fingers to style and achieve big volume. On the other side, sweep the top section away and continue to separate the curls underneath. Then repeat this on the top section. Continue to separate curls until you've created as much big hair volume as you desire. To complete the look, add big hoops, bright red lipstick and a leather jacket. And that's how you create a Sandra Dee inspired party look at home.